Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So the question is, does your MotoVlog setup suck? If it does, try this. So what I have set up here, I've tried many things in the past. Different kinds of cameras, microphones, all kinds of different setups. And I was just never happy with any of them until now. And what I've done now is, I have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Mic Mini. The DJI Mic Mini is super small and compact. It actually comes with a clip on it so you can clip it on your shirt, a magnetic where you can put it on your shirt. Because this is a magnetic back, I have taken my helmet inside the mouthpiece here and I glued a round magnet inside the mouthpiece. And I can just take this little DJI Mic Mini, I reach in here and I just stick it right there in the front. Perfect wireless setup. I have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the Mic Mini. Totally wireless. This thing makes amazing video and amazing audio. I really like it. Okay, so this is the audio and the video that you get from this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Mic Mini. I'm set right now on 1080p 60 frames per second, which is usually where I run it because the 1080p video is actually pretty good. I like the 60 frames per second because if I need to slow it down, I can do that easily with 60 frames per second. And the mic quality is just so good. But this is the audio and video quality that you get from 1080p 60 on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And we also have an extra DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro that I put right here on the front facing me. And on that one, I don't actually use the audio. I use my audio off this, put the two videos into Final Cut Pro, turn that audio down, and then I just use this audio and it just works seamless. It's super easy to do, super easy to make videos. So I definitely recommend, if your audio and your video sucks for motovlogging, go with this setup. And I will post a link below where you can check one of these out. You can get the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, you can get the Mic Mini, you can get the Mic Mini as a single, or you can get it as a set of two, which comes with a charging case. But an awesome setup. Don't go wrong. Get this DJI. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch y'all on the next adventure. Right on.